Good morning, students. Yes, your English teacher. Yes, in the last class, we have started to see Life of Pi, written by Jan Martel. Jan Martel. Yes, in the last class, I told you about the author's biography, and I taught the biography of Jan Martel. Next thing, I have taught you uh, the introduction and the theme of Life of Pi, and I have introduced the characters, everybody. And today we are going to deal the story. Listen, today we are going to deal the story. Yes, uh, let us. Before I am going to start the story, let me give an outline introduction. Yes, uh, the character, the hero of this novel. Yes, it's a novel. Life of Pi is a novel. The hero of this novel, that means the protagonist of this novel. Yes, he is called as Pi. His full name you know very well. Yes, Piscine, Piscine. Listen, Monitor Pi Patel. Okay. See here, in this novel, he is called as a Pi. The hero is called as what? Pi. And Patel is his family name. Patel is his family name. He made his father's name. Okay. Yes. Pisin Monitor Pai Patel, who is an Indian boy. He was living in Pondicherry. He is at the age of 16. He is at the age of 16. He is at the age of 16. Clear? And what was happening before the story has been initiated? Listen very carefully. His father, okay, Mr. Patel, okay, his father, Mr. Patel, runs a zoo, okay, runs a zoo in Pondicherry. Clear? Runs a zoo in Pondicherry. And what was there, due to some political reason and due to governmental regulations, Mr. Patel, who has to close his zoo, okay, who has to close his zoo. He was supposed to close the zoo, so that they had a plan to close the zoo and move to Canada. Okay, that is Patel's family decided to close their zoo and move to Canada. Clear? And move to Canada. Okay, so as per their plan, Mr. Patel, that is Pai's father, Mr. Patel, and his mother and his brother Ravi. Don't listen. You have to mark his brother's name. His brother name is Ravi. Okay, Ravi. Ravi, brother's name, that is who is a brother to Pi, the hero. Okay, they had a plan to close the zoo and move to Canada. Where they are moving? They are moving to Canada. Okay, and according to their plan, they had got a ship. Okay, they had got a ship, and they had packed up everything. Even the animals from their zoo. Okay, even they had boarded up the animals also in the ship. They thought that on the way to Canada, okay, on the way to Canada, if they have any chance, they can sell the remaining animals. Clear? This was their plan. So what was their plan? They decided to close the zoo and move to Canada, and also they had boarded up their animals in the zoo in the ship. Clear? In the ship. And they, what was their plan? While they were on the way to Canada, if they have a chance, they can sell the, yes, they can sell the remaining animals. Clear? Yes. So they got a ship. Name of the ship, what's the name of the ship? Yes, see, the name of the ship is, listen, Smithsum. Yes, clear? SIMTSUM. Smithsum. What's the name of the ship? STSIMTSUM. Smithsum. It's the name of the tree. The T is silent. Okay. Smithsum. You have to read the word as what? Smithsum. T is silent, like it's tsunami. Okay, it's tsunami. Tsunami also TUSATSUNAMI. Tsunami. But we read the word as tsunami. We give silent to the letter T. Likewise, here also Smithsum is the name of the ship. Name of the ship. Okay. How we have to pronounce the word? Smithsum. T is a silent. Clear? Good. So as per their plan, they boarded up their animals and everything on the ship. But what happened? Unfortunately, the ship wrecked. Okay, the ship wrecked. There was a shipwreck. There was a shipwreck. Shipwreck, you know that, due to a cyclone. Cyclone, yeah, storm. Due to a storm, the ship has wrecked, which means the ship has broken, and the ship sink into the sea. The ship has sunk. Sunk. Yes, there was a shipwreck. Yes, the ship has been broken due to a cyclone or a storm, and our hero, Pisin Molitor Pai Patel, okay, who has escaped with a lifeboat. Lifeboat, you know very well that in huge ships or big ships, with the ships which has a long travel or long journey, long voyage. You know, voyage means a sea journey. Okay, in a ship, they have a lifeboat. What's the purpose of lifeboat? In case if the ship has any broken, or if the ship has any disaster, the passengers can be saved their life, or the passenger can be rescued by the help of lifeboat. Okay, and with the help of the lifeboat, Pisin Molitor Pai Patel escaped. And already I told you in the last class, there are some animals also in the lifeboat. What are the animals? Yes, Richard Parker, a male tiger. The tiger, you know, it's called as a Bengali tiger. It is called as what? The Bengali tiger. And also a hyena, a zebra, and an orangutan, or an orange, a monkey. These are the other animals are there in the lifeboat. Clear? And here in this novel, exclusively in your syllabus, in your prescribed syllabus, it is in a first person narration. The entire story, this is what the outline, these were already dealt you, but here again I repeat, see here, in this novel, exclusively in your prescribed syllabus, it is in first person narration. first person narration. First person narration in the sense that is the speaker. Okay, the speaker. Who is the speaker? The hero is the speaker. The hero is the speaker. So Pai, that is Pisin Molitor Pai Patel, the character Pai, who narrates the story to us. Okay, to the reader. Pai is the narrator. So that this is what the first person narration. Clear? Work. Very good. How the story starts? Yes. When the story starts, listen very clearly. When the story starts or when the story begins, already I told you who is the storyteller. Pai is the storyteller. He says that. Already I told you in the introduction that in the lifeboat he is traveling. He is having his voyage. Okay. He says that he feels himself that he is alone or he is an orphan. Orphan, you know, parentless child. Yes, he had that much of anguish in his mind. Okay, he has that much of anguish. He has that much of pain in his mind, in his thought, that he feels that what he is an orphan. He is alone in this lifeboat. And one more thing, that apart from Pai, who are the other characters? Yes, other animals. Okay, among these characters, he is the only one human being. Very clear. And who has an oar? Oar, you know very well. Oar means what? Yes, with the help of oar, we can voyage, we can travel, we can swim in the lifeboat. Okay, and then the tiger is an adult male tiger. Clear? The tiger is an what? Adult male tiger. Adult male tiger. Yes, very good. See, and he has the oar for two purposes. He has the oar for two purposes. One, you know very well, for the swimming purpose. Another one is to rescue himself from the tiger. To rescue himself from the tiger. If the tiger attacks him, he can save himself with the help of oar. That's the purpose. He still holds the oar very strongly. Okay, and another thing, that he thought himself that his family members, okay, he thought himself that his family members might have been escaped with another lifeboat. He thought like that. How he has escaped from lifeboat, like the same way his family members also escaped, he himself thought. Okay, and another thing, that the writer and Pai Patel, who gives the beautiful description of the lifeboat, the beautiful description of the lifeboat. You must listen very clearly, because in this novel, in your text, the lifeboat structure or description of the lifeboat, how it is made, what is the construction point, everything is clearly given. The lifeboat, which has 26 feet long, okay, it has a 26 feet long and 3.5 feet deep. 3.5 feet deep and 8 feet wide. 8 feet 8 feet wide. Okay, 8 feet wide. See, this is what the description or the structure of this lifeboat. The lifeboat is how many feet long? It longs 26 feet. Then how many feet deep it is? It is 3.5 deep feet. And how many it's wide? It is 8 feet wide. And moreover, Pai Patel the hero clearly tells that in this lifeboat, how many people can be accommodated? Yes, 32 people. 32 people can be accommodated on that lifeboat. Okay, this is what a beautiful description about the lifeboat. And one more important point in this lifeboat, that everything in this lifeboat was printed in orange color. Printed in orange color. See, the name of the lifeboat is printed in orange color. Even the oar, that is in orange color, and other things which he had found in that lifeboat, everything was in that orange color. Not only the printing, even the objects in the lifeboat were in orange color. Why it is there in the orange color? Because the orange color, okay, the orange color is what, that is the color of survival. Orange color of survival. Which color? Orange. Orange color is means what? That is the color of survival. So that in this lifeboat, everything was in orange color. Clear? And what happened? See, when he says that for the first 3 days, clear? Already I told you, he was in the ship, in the lifeboat for how many days? 227 days. 227 days. Okay. For the first 3 days, listen, after the shipwreck, for the first 3 days, he didn't have anything to drink, even water. Okay. See, he is having his trip in the sea. Okay. In the sea. And moreover, you know very well that if it is sea, everywhere we will be surrounded with water. But we are unable to drink even a drop of sea water. Okay. Here, Jan Martel, that is the writer of this novel, he quotes a word, he quotes a line. From where he has taken it from The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, a poem written by S.T. Coleridge, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, S.T. Okay, S.T. Coleridge wrote a poem. Name of the poem is what? The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. In that poetry, S.T. Coleridge quoted a beautiful line. What's it? Water, water everywhere. Okay, water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Listen. Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Let me write it here. Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Listen. Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. A most beautiful line, a most beautiful quote written by S.T. Coleridge in his poem Rime of the Ancient Mariner, which was being used in Jan Martel's Life of Pi. Okay. In this novel, Pi clearly says told that, see, he is traveling, he is having his voyage in the lifeboat, but he is surrounded with the sea water, but he is unable to drink sea water. So that he says that water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. The same line was used by Pi also. Okay. See, for the first 3 days, he didn't have a drop to drink. So just imagine ourselves, if we do not have water for 4 hours or 5 hours, we feel that our throat will be dry. Even we have cough also. If our throat becomes dry, we will have continuous cough. Okay. Even we are in the land. But just imagine ourselves if we are in the sea. Mid of the sea, Pacific Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean. In the mid of the Pacific Ocean, if we people are there without having water for 3 days, just imagine how our health become, how our body become much tired, so tired. He is unable to speak. His blood cells become dry. Okay, so he is having such kind of a tension and stress, and also there are some animals. Richard Parker, if he moves from his one place to another place from the lifeboat, automatically it makes the tiger to be urged to be having an angry, and it will kill him. And in the story, the hyena kills the zebra. Okay, the hyena kills the zebra, and the tiger kills the hyena. Clear? Hyena kills zebra. The tiger, that is Richard Parker, the Bengali tiger, that kills hyena. So that now only two characters on the lifeboat. Who are they? Yes, Pi and Richard Parker, the Bengali tiger. That's all. They are the two characters living. And now he thinks himself that yes, this is a lifeboat. So what we people are doing, if we go for any trekking or any mountain climbing, we will be having the equipments and the necessary items we should take. So he thinks himself, yes, this is a lifeboat. In this lifeboat, something must be there in the bottom of the lifeboat. So that his mind urges him that go and search some water bottle or water pan. Every his mind urges him that to search the lifeboat. If he have a chance, if he has a chance, sorry, if he has a chance to get any drinking items, he will be in living. Okay, he will be in surviving. So that he moves and searches. He didn't bother about the tiger. Why? Because his mind urges him that he has to live. He has to live. He has to live. Why? Because water is the elixir of life. Okay, you know very well that water is the elixir of life. Clear? So that he wants to have some water. Then only his body will get some energy. He will be boosted up. So that the thirsty come over the fear of the tiger. Clear? Yes. And he is in search of water in that lifeboat. Already I told you the description of the lifeboat. It is 26 feet long and 3.5 feet deep, 8 feet wide. Okay. And he crawls himself and slowly, and when he find something hidden, okay, that is near to the tiger. Okay, that is near to the tiger. He didn't touch the tiger. Okay, and one more thing, that the tiger is having some fever. In this novel, Pai clearly tells that the tiger has some fear of fever, and also it has some stress. Why? Because the tiger also has seen the shipwrecking and the sounds of the people, so that it is in fear. That fear leads the tiger to have some fever. So that they were in calm, they were in silent. Who? Pai and Patel. They didn't disturb each other. Okay, Pai did not disturb the tiger did not disturb Pai, but Pai has the fear on the tiger. Clear? Yes. And at last he found a box. He found a box. On there it is written drinking water. What is written on the box? Drinking water. He found what's written? Drinking water. The drinking water was supplied by whom? HP Foods Limited. This was the company, HP Foods Limited. This was the company who supplied water for the ship Which ship? Yes, Smithson. In the lifeboat, he found a box which is written what? Drinking water. So after seeing that box, he had that much of joy. He beautifully expresses the joy. How? See, the day of celebrating our birthday, or the day where when we are celebrating Diwali, or the time when we are expressing our gratitude to someone. Okay, so these three are crushed into one. All these celebrations, see how we people are. If we are celebrating our birthday, we know that we will be happy. If we are celebrating any Diwali, we will be happy. Okay, if you are giving or expressing your gratitude to someone, you will be happy. Okay, if you are receiving any gift from somebody, you will be happy. If these actions crushed into one, how the joy will be. That much of joy he has on seeing the drinking water. Clear? That is a beautiful expression given by Pai Patel. Okay, and next thing that uh, he has the water for 124 days. He has that much of water facility in that drinking water, sorry, in that lifeboat. Okay, and moreover, all the water cans are 500 ml. all those uh, all those water cans are how many liters? It's all 500 ml liter cans. And he drank 4 cans. He drank 4 cans after seeing, after having the water. And he has drunk how many cans? He drank 4 cans. He drank 4 cans, in the sense that 4 into 5, yes, 2 liter. Okay, how many liters he drank? 2 liter. Okay, 2 liter of water he had drunk. You might have a question that so when we were in a much thirsty, too thirsty, if we drink much more water, automatically we lost our energy. Okay, but he says that he didn't have that much, he didn't lost energy. Instead, he his energy was boosted up. And because of having water, he overcome his dryness in his throat. Okay, he overcame his dryness, and he felt relaxed. He felt relaxed. And when he feel relaxed, he felt that his blood circulation in his body, and he got his strength back. He got his strength back. And what he says that? He says that he has the water for how many days? 124 days. 124 days the water is there. That is the drinking water. He can use the drinking water for how many days? 124 days he can use the water. And next thing that the day goes on. Okay, and he did not want to kill the tiger. Clearly, this is very important point. Take a note. He did not want to kill the tiger. Why? Can anyone answer? Yes, very good. See, in this lifeboat, Pai Patel has the only one companion. Who is it? Yes, the tiger. Exactly, that's a tiger. And also, the tiger has another companion, that is Pai Patel. So that he did not want to kill the tiger. If he kills the tiger, he will not have any companion. Instead, he wants to thank the tiger. Why he wants to thank the tiger? Because of the tiger only, he is doing everything because of fear. From the beginning, he got such fear, and he searched for water, and the tiger didn't disturb him, so that he got. And at last what happened? And at last what happened? He got the water. He got the water and he feel relaxed. When he feel relaxed, his angry went away. Clear? When he feels good, okay, when he feel relaxed, his angry went away, so that he didn't want to lose the hope or help or companionship of the tiger. Okay, so the days goes on, and at last what happened? A ship came, another ship has come there, and he got the help from the nearby ship. And what he has done, Pai Patel has safely landed the tiger in a jungle which is in the nearby. Okay, in the nearby jungle, he left the tiger in a jungle. And moreover, see here in the concluding point, what he says that the tiger, while it is leaving him, the tiger did not have a look. Okay, the tiger did not have a look on whom? Pai Patel. He was expecting the tiger will looking back and say thanks or something. He is expecting the love of tiger, but the tiger did not look him. The tiger did not have even a glimpse. Okay, even a glimpse, that means look. Okay, and the tiger went into the jungle. It was safe, and automatically the next thing, he received the help from a nearby boat, and at last he was reunited with his family members, and at last that he is reunited with his family members. Okay, this is all about the adventure of Pai Patel, the survival of Pai Patel in the lifeboat with a tiger for 227 days. Okay, so in the previous class I told you the author's biography and the theme of life of Pai and the characters I have introduced you. And in today's class I told you the introduction to the story, and I narrated the story, and what are the important things or important ideas are there in this story Pai Patel has told. That's all, life of Pai. So you are expected to read the paragraphs, and here in this supplementary, you know very well that in supplementary you do not have any short question and answer. Okay, you do not have any synonyms and antonyms. Clear? You do not have any appreciation or exercises like in poem. So in supplementary you will be having only two things, that is a paragraph writing. Another thing is that it can be asked in note making also. Okay, it can be asked in note making or hints development, developing the hints. Okay, or any comprehension paragraph. Okay, comprehension questions. So that's all, life of Pai. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class when we have doubt clearing in Google Meet. Okay, thank you all.